Hey y'all, Steven here with King Cloud Consulting, and today we're going to show you what it looks like when you integrate Apollo with Salesforce. Now, Apollo's developed a lot in the past couple of years and gained a lot of popularity, in part because they're adding new features such as the CRM component, as well as a cheap way to get contact information. But truly, the biggest way that most people use it is pushing Apollo leads directly into Salesforce so that from Salesforce you can use it from there, and that's how we're going to focus this demo today. For starters, your salesperson, your BDR, your SDR comes in, and what they're going to want to do is make a list. So I've created an example list here of employees at Salesforce who are in the C-suite within Canada, and we're going to say, hey, here's who we want to target today. As you can see, we have some emails missing, we have a phone number, some phone numbers missing. But the idea is after we create this list and save it as a search, we want to be able to push it CXO in Canada. We want to be able to push it into Salesforce. When you set up the integration between Apollo and Salesforce, you have a couple of different options you can do. First of all, you get to map all the fields that you want. So do you want first name to be first name, last name, whatever else doesn't match, you can fit it to your own configuration. You can also then figure out what you want to do with custom fields as well as syncing. So for example, when I add somebody from a list in Apollo, do I want them added as a lead or do I want them added as a contact? You can set all this stuff here as you can see on the screen within Apollo directly. Again, it's a native integration, meaning it's not too difficult to do, but something that we can help you with if you need help with as well. Once you set it up, you saved your list. There's a trigger that takes somewhere between 0 and 15 minutes for them to show up in Salesforce. I'm going to hit refresh. If they're not here yet, I'm going to pause, go grab a coffee, and come right back. So see you in a minute. All right, and we're back. That actually only took about 4 minutes to do. Like I said, 15 is the stated maximum, but it could be less than that. And now myself or any other SDR, BDR, or AE is ready to work on their leads. Things to note are, again, the contacts that had emails, have them. The ones that didn't, it left it as blank, as well as phone numbers were auto-populated if they had them, or else it defaulted just an HQ number to put something as a placeholder. Do want to call out too that we have a lead source that's populated that you get to choose what you want to say. We put Apollo, meaning if you're ever creating different sorts of lists or reports to say how many contacts are we pulling in, pushing out, really easy to do that by having that data modifier there. From there, you work your lead as per usual, close your deals, make money, live, laugh, love. Once again, super simple integration. If you ever want to push data from Apollo into Salesforce, as you can see, very easily doable. Likewise, if you want Salesforce data pushed into Apollo, very easily doable. We didn't do it in this demonstration, but if you ever want to see that, let us know. We can build it out for you as well. And as always, if there are any questions, our contact is below, and we can't wait to hear from you. All the best. Bye now.